Could your cooking oil be actually poisoning you? Well, what if I told you that most people are frying, sauteing with oils which are actually wrecking their health? Today I will reveal the most common cooking oils which you should never use, but I will also rank all the best cooking oils for your health with all the healthy and cheap and powerful alternatives. You will be surprised. The best one is a cheap one, an affordable one you can get anywhere, and it is extremely healthy. It's basically a superfood. So let's start with the bad news first. The wrong oils, industrial seed oils like canola oil, soybean oil, corn oil, sunflowers, all of these, they harm your health. These vegetable oils are mass produced with harsh methods. Seeds are crushed at very high heat and treated with chemical solvents. Then the oil is bleached and deodorized. When you cook with seed oils, they break down and release toxic compounds. And now comes the funny part, guys. The worst of all is a randomized controlled trial showed that replacing animal fats, for example, with a very common seed oil led to higher rates of heart disease and death. So now, ladies and gentlemen, the bottom line: ditch the seed oils and get to these beautiful oils. And I want to tell you exactly which ones are good, cheap, affordable, and extremely healthy. So let's look at the healthy, heat-stable fats to cook with instead. Here are the 6 great options ranked from worst to best. But even the worst one is way better than any seed oil. So let's get into the top 6. Number 6, the worst of these good ones, is A2 raw butter. You have 300 degrees Fahrenheit smoke point, but A2 raw butter from grass-fed, grass-finished cows, as I have it here, is a nutrient-rich natural fat. It's packed with vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin K2 that adds delicious flavor, but it has a low smoke point, so it burns fast. So save butter for low heat or for eating it raw. Extra virgin cold pressed olive oil. This one is from Lebanon. Extra virgin olive oil is very rich in heart healthy monounsaturated fats and antioxidant polyphenols. However, its very moderate smoke point of 375 degrees Fahrenheit means olive oil is best for salad dressings and very light cooking, not too high cooking, right? But it is beautiful. I made a video how to spot the best olive oil, extra virgin cold pressed. It's popping up on top of the screen right now. Now let's go over to extra virgin cold pressed coconut oil with a 350 degrees Fahrenheit smoke point. So coconut oil is 90% saturated fat. Coconut oil also contains lauric acid, which is beautiful. It's a very beneficial medium chain triglyceride oil, MCT, and it's far healthier for frying than corn or soybean oil, right? The tip is for higher heat cooking. You can use refined coconut oil, but then you lose a lot of the benefits. So rather go to the top 3, which I will talk about right now. This is the most beautiful. Grass-fed beef tallow. This is amazing. You have a 400 degrees Fahrenheit cooking point. You can really nicely cook with that. It's ideal for frying, for searing. It's extremely stable at high temperatures and even contains some natural vitamins plus beneficial fats like CLA, conjugated linoleic acid. We talked about that many times. Now number 3, algae oil. Many of you guys have not heard about it. This newcomer boasts an ultra high smoke point, 535 degrees Fahrenheit for this specific one here. It's 90% monounsaturated fat and only 3% omega-6, so it hardly oxidizes even under extreme heat. Algae oil is neutral tasting. It tastes like nothing basically, and superb for stir frying or searing at high temperatures. The only downside is the cost. It's quite expensive, but it's maybe even the best one in the world. However, my absolute favorite and probably the best one, if you really look worldwide, is grass-fed, grass-finished ghee. Hear me out, guys. This beautiful cooking fat from India is, in my opinion, by far the #1 most superior cooking fat for the following reasons. So this is clarified butter, right? It's butter without the lactose. Removing the milk solids from the butter, making it to ghee, gives a smoke point of around 480 to 485 degrees Celsius. It retains the butter's beneficial nutrients, but with a vastly better heat tolerance. Grass-fed ghee is arguably the healthiest, most versatile cooking fat you can use. It's cheap, it's amazing, perfect for frying, roasting, or anything else. It is beautiful, it tastes nutty, it has thousands of years of history in Ayurvedic medicine. It is my absolute #1 cooking oil. It tastes amazing. Let me know which one is your favorite in the comment section down below. Subscribe to the channel, share this video with your friends, and of course subscribe to this channel here and watch this very important video. And as always, guys, as always, bye.